Good morning, well afternoon, it's like 12 o'clock, oh my god. It's currently raining, absolutely lovely. We went out to a club last night, it's called Birdcage. Had like UK garage slash techno. It's actually pretty alright to be fair. Yeah, we only just sort of woken up now, we've had to move rooms again because they didn't have that room we wanted for another night. So we're back in the, I don't know if you can see in there. Nope. We are back in the 4-bed, which is not ideal, but it's not the end of the world. I need to go get a haircut because this trim is fucking diabolical. And then I actually have no idea what we're doing for the rest of the day. I think we're just going to chill out because the past 2 days have been pretty hectic. We've done quite a lot of stuff. I'm hoping they'll let me film when I get my haircut because they didn't let me film for the massage. But the people at the barbershop are quite sound, so I would think it's okay. Let's do a fit check for today. Kind of don't want to put my camera anywhere that's wet though. Where can we put you? Let's put it there. We'll go in for the all black fit today. Pretty fucking hard. That was a bit questionable. Much better, you can see me now. One thing I thought was quite prevalent all throughout Southeast Asia was 7-Elevens. However, I don't think that Vietnam has many of those. They have Circle K. It's pretty much the same, but they're a bit smaller. And they don't have like the toasties and stuff. They have other like microwave meal things, but not toasties. But I've come to get my vitamin C drinks. These are absolutely delicious. If you've also got a hangover, lifesaver. It is also, what time is it? 2:30. I've still not gone to get my haircut yet. Me and Austin have basically just been sat around all day doing nothing in bed. It's been quite nice actually. I think having a day to chill has been what we've needed so far because every day has been very, get a Coke as well. No, I'll get a water instead. Yeah, every day has been very, very hectic. So just be able to chill out for a bit has been quite nice and not have to worry about doing anything. Cheers. Oh, it's pissing it down now. Lovely.
Sleeping now, it's 5 a.m.
I know, we went out last night. We were drinking a lot. Yeah, we went to Birdcage.
Yeah, definitely. So I see some people try to sell places in Soho for like 1-bedroom apartment for like 15 million, and I'm just thinking, oh no.
But we're going to watch the United match later.
It can't. Yeah. No, I understand your ex-employer, right? The person you used to work with.
I've done TikTok for a while as well.
Did you? Well, you were like, I think you dislike Hannah the most in like February.
Perfect.
Every year because yeah, it's just so
Yeah, no, it's beautiful. Very good.
In fact, that's where.
How much is that?
150 please.
150.
Yeah, it can be 11. But lots of yeah, I guess you probably do meet a lot of Americans here. But like there's quite a big percentage of like Americans overall.
You too.
Yeah. Because they come from so big, so many people see you in America. One time, yeah. Oh yeah, it was good. Like I went when I was a kid, so I've only been to Chicago. In like.
Thank you, Lucas. See you later.
Well, again, very cold, but a very cool experience.
Oh. Well, I mean, fucking £6. Well, not even £6, £4, I think. Maybe a bit more. I'm not going to complain of that, it's fucking well good. The guy was nice as well. Absolutely, I'm actually buzzing with that. Yeah, I didn't get to capture it, but they give me a hair wash and a hair massage as well. A head massage at the start, just before. So for 150k dong is what? 100k is £3. So £4.50-ish. Outrageous. Compared to the UK, that's fucking well good. And so I had my hair cut in PP in Thailand, and it was okay, but this one puts it to shame, and it's way fucking cheaper as well. I'm gonna head to a Circle K because there is something that I want to try that I didn't get to try in Thailand. So I'm gonna go try and find that. I have acquired the thing that it was that I wanted to buy, and now I just can't find anywhere to put the camera to show you what it is and to try it. So once I find somewhere, I will show you, and we'll see how it makes me feel, because I've got a feeling I am not going to sleep tonight after trying it. So that'll be interesting. So the drink that I've got to try is the Thai Southeast Asian Red Bull. Don't know how this is going to be. Hopefully it doesn't make me go crazy. It's physio still. But still, it tastes quite nice though. 800. Can you see that? 800 UN. No idea what that means. I'm probably going to be up all night. It's quite nice though. It's rather delicious. Might get Austin to try and see what he thinks. United are shit.
Lúc này thì trung vệ người Hà Lan Martin đang chơi trung vệ bên trái, còn người đá trung vệ bên phải là Masraoui, Pedro Porro, Kulusevski, Pedro Porro, rất nguy hiểm. Nếu chúng ta thì bóng đá có thể tới được vị trí của Sarabin.
About to lose me shit.
Vâng vàng.
You like you're having so much fun. Like you're having so much fun.
Cả Tottenham Hotspur và Man United lúc này đều là những đội có hàng thủ tương đối mong manh. Trung bình mỗi trận đấu của huấn luyện viên Postecoglou tại giải bóng đá Ngoại hạng
They're all moving like an over 80s aerobic once. Genuinely, it's like they've got no mobility at all.
Con số rất khủng khiếp. Tottenham Hotspur công hay, nhưng họ thủ chưa hay. Bóng lại trở lại với Tottenham Hotspur, Martin. Chuyển hơi ngon, Alejandro Garnacho thiếu chút nữa đã có thể cướp được bóng. Trong số những cầu thủ có ít nhất 10 cơ hội lớn ở ngoại hạng mùa này thì Alejandro Garnacho có tỷ lệ chuyển đổi thấp nhất, chỉ có 14,7%. Bruno Fernandes, Bruno chuyển không thực sự ổn của đội trưởng bên phía Manchester United. Manchester United đã không tận dụng những cơ hội mà họ có. Bây giờ sẽ là cơ hội dành cho đội chủ nhà Son.
He's not been the greatest, you know, recently.
Đối mặt với Masraoui chưa bao giờ là dễ dàng.
Right wing back.
Giờ thì hệ thống phòng ngự của đội khách đã đủ ổn định hơn.
Get on. He's got a little todger.
Bruno đang tìm người để chuyền bóng.
He got some fucking woeful goal again. Bruno. Shit. You say every United player shit. Doesn't mean every player shit.
We've been really
Southampton
shit.
or what? Is Tyler Diblin a good player?
Who?
Tyler Diblin.
Kulusevski.
Dead ball knowledge.
Watch Southampton. Is he? I don't know.
He's a fucking baller. I wouldn't be surprised if he gets a big move in this season. Yeah.
Trong 10 phút gần nhất thì kiểm soát bóng của Tottenham Hotspur vẫn duy trì ở mức rất cao 79%. Ở đây đang là thời điểm mà năm trò của huấn luyện viên Postecoglou đang chơi chậm lại để giữ nhịp. Họ không thể duy trì được cường độ chơi bóng cao như trong phút đầu tiên của trận đấu trong khoảng nửa giờ đồng hồ.
Like 10 ICs a year.
Đây sẽ là cơ hội để cho đội khách Manchester United có thể giành được thế chủ động ở trong những tình huống triển khai bóng của mình. Quan trọng là Manchester United phải bằng cách rất có thể Dusevski
Barely even a drop of a shoulder.
lại tăng cơ. Tình huống đâm lên của các tiền vệ trung tâm bên phía của Barcelona đang gây đến rất nhiều sự bất ngờ và tận dụng được những khoảng trống ở khu phòng ngự của Manchester United. Lucas Hernandez đã làm được điều đó trong bàn thắng mở tỷ số của James Maddison.